Windows throws permission error when you try to delete a file, while another process still holds a handle, even if it's your own code. Here's how to dodge it cleanly in just 3 steps. Imports the tempfile standard library module, which provides functionality to create temporary files and directories safely. Imports the path class from the pathlib standard library module to provide an object-oriented interface for file system paths. Uses tempfile.NamedTemporaryFile with delete set to false so the underlying file persists after closing, entering a context manager block where f is the file object. Converts the string path stored in f.name into a path instance and assigns it to the variable path for later file system operations. Invokes write_text on the path object with the string hello to overwrite or create the temporary file with that exact content. Calls print with a descriptive message followed by the path object, which displays its string representation. Begins a try-except-exception handling construct specifically designed to catch permission error during file removal attempts. Invokes unlink on the path object to remove the file from the file system, which is the recommended method in pathlib for deleting files. Defines an except clause specifically targeting permission error exceptions raised by preceding operations in the try block. Calls print with the message permission denied on delete when a permission error was caught during file removal. Use NamedTemporaryFile delete equals false plus pathlib..Unlink to avoid Windows permission errors during cleanup, atomic, and safe. Subscribe for daily coding videos.